Hello friends, in this video I will show how to remove blank cells from Excel within 3 seconds. So guys, if you need to remove all blank rows in Excel worksheet, so follow these steps. Firstly, click on this find and select. Here click on go to special and select this blank. Click on OK. Now we can see all blank cells are selected. You can remove easily, just right click on any blank cell, then delete, and here select entire row. Also guys, there are some more options you can select as your requirement. So to delete, for example, select entire row and click on OK. Now we can see all blank cells are deleted in just 3 seconds or in few seconds. If you don't have go to special, so click on go to, then special, and same process, select blanks, right click and delete entire row. So hopefully guys you like this video. Thanks for watching and comment on this video useful for you.